Good morning, children. How are you? Must be doing well. Children, today we are doing articles. Articles you have done earlier also. This is only we are revising the work. And some of the children, they don't know the proper uses of articles. Okay? That's where we are revising again. And see, children, pay attention towards the video, whatever the teacher is doing also. Okay? And how to write the right articles. Okay? See, articles. There are two types of articles. One is indefinite article. Okay? Indefinite. And this is other one is definite article. Okay? Definite article. What is indefinite article? Indefinite article is a, an, or definite article is the. Okay? But keep one thing, only you should keep one thing in your mind, what is the right uses of all the articles. Okay? An is always used with the singular or countable nouns. Because we can count countable nouns. Okay? Okay? Countable nouns, singular noun, and before the consonant sounds. Okay? The consonant, what are, see, A is used with consonant. What is consonant? N is used before the vowel. Both are used for the singular. Okay? A is used for singular, N is also used for singular. But difference is this: A is used with the consonant, and this is used, N is used the vowel sounds. See, A, I, E, O, and U. These are the vowels. Okay, these are vowels. But rest of the letters are consonants. See, B, okay, B, C. These are B, C. Okay, D. Rest of all the letters are called consonants. Okay, these are all consonants. And keep one thing, children, in your mind. Whenever, see, I will give you the example. I saw an old lady. Okay? I saw a old lady. Difference is this is O is a vowel. Okay? Give the sound as O. That's why we are writing an. Okay? This is A is wrong. And you people are writing A. This is wrong. Whenever any word gives the sound of a vowel, okay, then we are writing N. Okay? And C. And where we are writing the is used for specify things. When we are writing specify. When we use specify the things. Okay? Specify the things. Then we use the. Okay? See. You will come to know from the example. I saw a dog. Okay? I saw a dog. कोई भी dog होता है, any dog you have to say. I saw a dog. अब second time when you are using, dog was running fast. Okay? Was running fast. It means here to any dog. It can be any dog. Okay? The dog was running fast. It means you are talking about the dog which you have seen earlier. Okay? Then you are writing the dog. It means you are specifying the dog. Means वही dog की बात कर रहे हैं जिसको मैंने पहले देखा है. ठीक है? I saw a dog. The dog was running fast. वही dog. It was running very fast. Then you are writing the. Okay? See one more example from here. Please give me a bottle. Okay? Please give me a bottle. It can be any bottle. Please give me a bottle. There are so many bottles are kept. You can bring any bottle. Okay? Then you are writing a bottle. Okay? Please give me the bottle. The bottle kept on the shelf. it means you are supposed to bring that bottle which is kept on the shelf. It means you are specifying. ठीक है? Please give me the bottle that kept on the shelf. जो kept shelf पर है, that bottle you are bringing, not other bottle. Okay? We are specifying the bottle. ठीक है? Then you are writing the. Otherwise, if they would have been given, please give me a bottle. Simple. कोई bottle you can give me. Please give me the bottle. ठीक है? That kept on the shelf. Okay? Now see children, uses of you. Many children they are making you wrong how to use you. Whenever this you give the sound of gives the sound of you. Then you are writing a. See example. I will tell you the example. Uniform, utensil, university, okay, university, useful. There can be many more also. Here you all give the sound of you. Though it is vowel, you is vowel. But it does not give the sound of a. You give the sound of a, like umbrella. Okay? Umbrella. On is a vowel. Okay? Then uncle. Okay? When these you give the sound of vowel sound a, then you are writing an umbrella. Okay? And on. Then you are writing an. But it does not give the sound of a. So then you are writing give the sound of you. This you give the sound of you. So then you are writing a. यहाँ पर a utensil, a university, a useful. Okay, these two you are making, so many children they are making mistake writing this uniform utensil. You are writing an. Why you are writing an? Because you think u is a vowel. But not only vowel, we have to see the sound of the vowels also. Okay, you give the sound of u. It does not give the sound of a. When if it would give the sound of a, then you are writing an, umbrella, uncle. Okay. Then children again, then see one thing more. We never use any article. We never use any article before the uncountable thing. Please give me to make tea. Okay? Please give me sugar to make tea. Some of the children, अब teacher ने दिया तो children will write, please give me a sugar. No, you will write cross here. Please give me sugar to make tea. Please give me water to drink. Okay? If they would have been, see the how to, where we can write. Please give me that is kept in the jar. That is kept in the bottle. That is kept in the bottle. It means you are talking about something special sugar. Please give me the sugar. तब लिखोगे the sugar that is kept in the bottle. जो bottle में है वो मुझे अपनी sugar देनी है और कोई नहीं. ठीक है? This is the thing. This is the different how. Then we are not writing any article before the uncountable things. See one more example here also. Please give me juice. Okay? Okay, but some of the children they will write, please give me a juice, please give me that. That is wrong. Okay? How, when you will write article? The juice you served me last night. You served me last night. Last night was so tasty. Was so tasty. ठीक है? यहाँ पर you are writing the, because you are specifying the juice. कुछ juice की बात कर रहे हो, जो juice मुझे आपने serve किया था, that was very tasty. Then तो you can write the. Otherwise uncountable the, oil, then water, then juice, then many things are all oil है, juice है, water है. ठीक है? Then you are not writing any article. If then it is repetition or specifying, then you are writing the. Okay, and how, where we are writing the or ordinal numbers, superlative degree, जैसे next, the next, ठीक है, the only, ठीक है, the second, ठीक है, the second, the first, ठीक है, then you are writing here the article, ठीक है, and where superlative degree, जैसे the best, the most comfortable, ठीक है, most comfortable, the most interesting, ठीक है, then it is given superlative degree, then you are writing the, ठीक है, and when there more there when we use there the when there is one thing in the universe, the sun, there is one thing in the whole universe, the sun, the moon, the stars, okay, when we are writing the. Okay, and I hope you must have understood where to write, where to use a or an is used before the singular noun or consonant. Okay, and is used before the vowel or vowel sounds. Okay, and children, keep one thing more in your mind. See, there is one more example I am giving you. See, children, I saw one-eyed man. ठीक है, one side eyed man. I want 1 rupee coin. ठीक है, 1 rupee coin. यहाँ पर O is a vowel, but you people what do write? You will write an. No, this is wrong. One gives the sound of one. W-O-N. One. It gives the sound of one. I have won the match. So W is not vowel. That's why you are writing here A. You are writing here A. Got it? Then there is one more example. Honest. Our word is honest. Our honorable. Okay? These are H. H give the sound of H or O. These give the sound of O. Honor. If this word would have given the sound of honorable, then to you are writing honorable. Okay? Then to you are writing A. But it gives the sound of honest. O is a vowel sound. So you are supposed to write here an honest, an our. Okay? An honorable. Okay? Have you understood? Whenever any word gives the sound of vowel sound or vowel, then we are writing an. But honest, there is, the children must be thinking that H is not vowel, but it gives the sound of vowel sound. Honest, O. Okay? That's why we are writing an. Okay? I hope you must have understood, and children keep one thing in mind. Before the rivers, name of the river, special name of the river, state, then states, then newspaper, we are always writing the. Okay? Keep all things in your mind, and while attempting the paper, keep all these things in your mind, whatever teacher has told. Okay? I hope you must have understood, children. Okay? Bye. Do well. Stay healthy.